Charles and welcome back to Beano Squad, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing Day 3 Christmas Edition. So today is the last day for the Christmas Edition because it's Day 3. So yeah, so let's get into it. So before I unbox it, please hit like. So please like and subscribe in 5 seconds this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you liked and subscribed. So let's get into the unboxing. So previous videos, for day 1, I did Neotrox, and day 2 it was Neonilius. And today I'm gonna tell you who's the favorite, hardest to close, lots of B power, coolest character card, and coolest gate card, and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into day 3. So it is also Christmas wrapped. Let's get into it. First time, let me open it with scissors. Even I know I can just tear it, but why not? Okay. Let's see what we got. Ta-da! Okay. We got Platinum Neo Pharol. So it looks really cool. I could tell by this looks really cool, and the Bakugan looks not bad. Well, let's just get into the unboxing. So Neo Pharol Platinum. It's Platinum Neo Pharol. The picture. Here's a closer picture of it. Ta-da! And yeah, so let's get unboxing. So I really don't want to tear the box, but I already did. Oops. So let's there we go. There we go. So 2 box cores. Character card. Okay, so let's see what gate card we first got. Whoa, wow. This looks so cool. It's Pharol and the Mork. I think that's what it's called. I kind of forgot. So 100, 100, 600, 100, 600, and 100. It's only 100 and 600. And it's shield. Let's see the character card. Please be something cool. Oh wow. This looks so cool. Platinum Neo Pharol. This looks so cool. It's like from the desert. So cool. So Platinum Neo Pharol. 2 shield. 100 B power and 1 damage on shield, plus a core or a gate card from your collection, and 400 plus 400 B power. So right now it's kind of garbage. It's only 100 B power. That's not bad. It actually is bad, and 1 damage. That's it. So but I guess if you do land on shield, I guess it will get pretty good, but other than that, it's not bad. It actually is bad. So yeah, it always comes with same checklist. I won't be surprised if it's new. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same checklist. Nothing new. Why does Spin Master make new Bakugan for Bakugan Evolution if it's not even in the checklist? Like Neonilius, Platinum Neotrox, Neo Pharol is not even in it. Flying Neo Pegadrix. That's it. And they did not even put the Platinum version. You serious? Spin Master, please make a new thing. Okay, so at least let's get into the Bakugan. Let's see if it's cool Bakugan. So first, there we go. Hope that's right. Oh, there we go. Wow, this looks so cool. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, Pharol's a cat. It's a cat Bakugan. And like you're probably like, what, a cat? But yeah. Anyways, so this is Pharol, really cool, and yeah, where's the speed power on the Bakugan? I can't seem to find it. Okay, so I found it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it does say 100 B power. So so yeah. Let's see how to close it. I hope it's really easy. Okay, it's pretty easy. The wing is still. There we go. So, how to close it? First, tuck in the head, put this thing down. Actually, first put the feet in, then the head, then the wings, and then tuck in the feet. Actually, it's better to just do the feet before the wings, not after the wings. I'm actually making lots of mistakes. So, and then tuck in the tail, that's it. So, let's get our gate card. Okay, so let's fold it. 1, 2, 3, go. Bakugan. Pharol. Bakugan. Pharol. Okay, where's that arrow? When I started Bakugan getting, I did not find the arrows. Like, I didn't use arrows. Okay, so it landed. Really cool. Okay, so this is the last day to do this. Like, I already completed day 1, 2, and 3. So, yeah, so let's do, like, the thing. So first, the one that I liked, the coolest, this one. The least coolest, Trox. Sorry. The coolest character card, Trox. The least coolest character card. It has to be Milius. I'm sorry. So, the coolest gate card. Okay, so it has to be, Pharol. And, highest, B power, Trox. And the highest, also, I think, damage, it's also Trox. So, comment down, well, which one did you like the best? Milius, Trox, or Pharol? So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Which one was the easiest to close? I would say it's probably Trox. The hardest, Milius. Like by a mile. It's so hard. Check out my video for, check out day 1 and day 2. See my reactions. So, yeah, hope you liked this video. Please, like and subscribe. See you all next time. Thanks. Bye.